What if you could generate a full UI layout, screen flow, and even front-end code, all from a simple prompt? Let's take a deep dive into UX Pilot, your new AI co-designer. UX Pilot is a next-gen AI platform developed by the team behind Adam Fard Studio. It helps you go from idea to interactive wireframes, high-fidelity UIs, screen flows, and even export ready-to-edit HTML, CSS, all powered by prompts and design chat. AI Wireframe Generator. Type in a prompt like mobile login screen. It instantly generates a responsive layout. Design chat. Fine-tune layout and content via natural language conversation with the AI. Export to Figma. Easily push the design into Figma with full context, layers, and styles. UX heatmap and review. Predicts user focus zones with AI-powered heatmaps. HTML, CSS export. Get clean starter code for dev handoff or quick prototyping. Pros. Saves 70 to 80% design time for MVPs. Figma integration with design fidelity preserved. Predictive UX insights and screen flow generation. Great for solo founders, UX teams, and fast-paced devs. Cons. Slight learning curve with the UI. Free plan limits to 15 screens. Not as flexible for ultra-custom design aesthetics yet. Who is it for? UX UI designers looking to boost productivity. PMs and startup founders needing quick prototypes. Developers who want UI ideas plus working code without the wait. If you're interested in this tool, I've dropped the link and a discount code in the description below. To sum it up, UX Pilot is a powerful AI assistant that helps you design faster, smarter, and cheaper. It's not just another AI gimmick. It's a practical tool that can speed up your entire product pipeline.